Hello and welcome to Anekonnect. In this video, we will attempt to make Y-split cable assembly. Currently, Y-split is sent over a PowerPoint. In this, you see one 1503 and two MCIL 3Fs. Here we have one 10 feet and two 4 feet cable section, one Y joint and three connectors. Let's see how we can do this on Anekonnect. So let me log in. Now we'll make a new assembly wizard. Just enter the name of the assembly. There are three tabs here. We start by adding connectors 1503, MCIL 3F. We can click on each of the connectors. We give it an alias, shrink tube is needed, and details thereof. Same thing with MCIL. So now we can start with adding cables. And for the cables, for the first one, I want to select the SOW18-3. Enter the cable length and the components will show up. Add two sections of the cable, last cable section. Arrange cable and connector components on the schematics grid. Click and drag the wires from connector to cable components. Write in the description of the signal and the color, just like we have here, green, red, and yellow. The assembly specifications, there's pressure ratings. Review the details of the cable assembly here. Review the connector options, cable length and tolerance, the wiring diagram, and the test specifications. You can edit the assembly from here. Select the tab you want to edit and make changes as needed. You can share your design information from here. Whoever you share it with will have access to edit and collaborate on your assembly design. You can request modeling. On receiving your request, we create a cable assembly model based on the data you entered and upload it to your login in 24 hours. After the assembly has been uploaded, and you can download the files from here. Three files, which are the JPEG file, the PDF engineering file, and the STL file. Thank you for reviewing a product demo, and we hope that you can try it at anekonnect.io.